You gotta be her, you gotta feel her, you gotta show up as her. You know the her you want to be. You gotta get up every single day and take steps towards your future her. Like, this is her. She's showing up. She's beautiful. She's bold. She's blessed. Oh my God. I'm so excited for this video, y'all. Do you see me showing up? Do you see the material? Like, this is going to be a bomb video. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We about to eat, okay? Do you see the wig cap? Do you see the ball cap? Like, you can't even see it. Like, the ball cap is so melted. That's how I know this is about to be so good. We're sponsored for this video is Hermosa Hair. Shout outs to them for sending me this bomb wig. It is a 13x4. It is 26 inches. It is HD lace. Like, the lace is so fire, okay? And it is a deep wave wig, 220% density. I did prep her beforehand. I bleached the knots, and I also added like my foundation, so she's ready to go. It is a typical wig cap construction with your combs, your adjustable straps. The wig is big head friendly. It's very roomy, and it fits so good, and it is perfect for the style that we're gonna do today. I'm using some good old bolt hold, and guys, we're doing a half up, half down, and this is going to be a detailed tutorial. You're gonna wanna sit down, grab a drink, grab a snack, and just like zoom in and just like focus, because I'm giving you step by step, okay? First of all, to get this hair like together, I'm cutting off the excess lace on the sides just so she's situated, and I do it in a slant motion as you saw, and I am going in with my bold hold skin protectant just to clean the skin off. You need to make sure your skin is clean before you put anything on, okay? And I did use alcohol, but then I still go in with my bold hold because look at that dirt that's still there. And we're doing that just so our skin is clean and our wig will last. I wanted my wig to last. This is an install. So where I have my ball cap, that's where I'm applying my glue, right along that line where the ball cap is. Like, you can't even like see the line of the wig cap. That's how seamless that ball cap was. But I'm applying my glue along that line. This is my border. This is where I will place my wig, and I'm doing it exactly like where I want it, because I'm not going to go beyond that line. We're not going to have our wigs on our eyebrows. It's 2023. We're not doing that anymore. And because of how I wanted the updo to look, I literally just use the wig cap as my border, and then I'm going in and I'm just using my fingers and not blending that, but just like smoothing that out. And then I allowed it to air dry, and I did 2 layers of this. And because of how close I wanted it, you know, to my hairline, I am gonna go in and use some spray. I don't even know if that made sense, but I'm going in with my Ebon Wonder lace, and the part that I wanted, you know, to like be close to my hairline where I couldn't put the glue, I used the Ebon Wonder lace spray just so I didn't get any glue in my actual hair. I hope that made sense, but I wanted this install not to be my eyebrows. I wanted it to be a half up, half down. It is a wig, everybody knows that, but we're trying to make it as realistic as possible. And then guys, with doing a half up, half down, you have to ensure you don't have a wig that's too small, because if the wig is too small and you stretch that lace out, it's going to like shift back. So this had enough room to do that, and I'm gently placing the lace on the glue. I'm just lining it up. I'm not like stretching the lace. If you have to like tug the lace and really stretch it out for it to fit, that means the wig is just like too small. And when you do the hairstyle, because it's a pull on the lace and you're gonna pull it up, it's going to slide back. You've ever done your install and then you notice you wake up, it's not where you placed it, it's like shifted back. That means the wig was too small, and this wig had ample room, so I'm just gently just like placing it. We're not stretching the lace because I want it to lay exactly where it's placed, so when I do that pull up to pull it in a half up, the hair will not be shifting. And guys, for this hairstyle, you got to take your time, okay? I wasn't in no rush. I already knew from I got up that this hair was gonna eat. Like, I literally woke up, I'm like, yo, I'm gonna do my hair and it's gonna eat. That's just all that was in my head, and I felt the hairstyle looking amazing before I did it, okay? And then once my hair is just like set into the glue, my blow dryer was on cool. And for the glue, I allowed it to air dry mostly. It's only in the end when I added the spray why I used the blow dryer. I realized when I allow it to air dry, I don't know, it's somewhat more tacky to me. And I'm just parting out the front of the hair and just plucking a bit. Like, I went in and I plucked quite a bit even while the wig was on my head, because it was to make it match up more to my hairline and make it more realistic. And I'm going in with the Ebon Wonder lace, the red can, because it's less sticky. I like to use that on top of the lace for a hold, and the black one underneath, because the black one is way sticky, is like more sticky, and it'll you know, cause the wig to stay. But when you use the red can on the lace, it's less sticky, but it does give you that hold. And what I did, I kind of parted out the first parts of the hairline, and I was spraying in between just so the hair would be in place. So once I pulled the hair up, it would not be moving, if that makes sense. So the spray was to reinforce the glue. And as you see, I'm doing everything so precisely. I'm not spraying all over the hair. I'm literally spraying strategically, because I knew once I cut my lace off, I wanted the hair to stay. And as you realize, I did not go in with any glue for any touch-ups. I knew exactly where I wanted the lace to lay, and that's where I kept it. And as you can see, I'm parting out, going on my hot comb, and I'm just like plucking more. I keep parting in the lace and plucking just so it mimics a more natural hairline. And now I'm just like cutting off the excess lace, and I'm cutting very close to the hairline, because I knew what I wanted the wig to look like. I wanted it to be realistic, even though it is a wig. Everybody knows it's a wig. We're not trying to, you know, say it's not a wig, but you want it to be as realistic as possible. And I'm just cutting off that extra lace, and I'm gonna cut the sides off. I didn't show you guys that, but I did cut the sides off, and this is what it's looking like. And I was so proud of my hair. It was literally where I wanted it, and that's the side where I felt like I'm going to leave out just a little bit to have like a wispy little kind of like edge. I didn't want like a hard swoop, and like, you know how the wigs have that big swoop that you know it's a wig? Like, I didn't want that. I just wanted it to have a more wispy, more natural kind of feel to it. And guys, for a half up, half down, you have to ensure you have your wax stick and you need a hot comb, because you need to train the hair how you want it to go. And I'm going in and I'm just doing that. And as I said, you can't do this hairstyle in a rush. You have to have the time to, like, you know, take your time, because you're doing it here yourself. You have to take your time, and I'm going in and I'm using my hot comb, using my wax stick, taking my time, because I'm training the hair to go up how I want it. And that's what I kept doing until I feel like it was looking like what I wanted it to look like. And because this is not a 13x6, or it's not a, like, you know, a 360 wig, it's literally a 13x4 at the sides, I was trying to get it to go up without showing my track. So I kind of did like a step in a sense with how I left the hair out. If you like pause and look, the hair kind of goes in like a step motion, kind of like zigzaggy. So each part will fall over where the track is, and then when I pull the side up, nothing will be showing. Like, it will just fall so seamlessly. You won't see any track. You won't know that, you know, it's not lace right there. And then I'm just parting out the top where the lace is. That's where the most lace is. That's in like the middle part. I'm just parting that out, and then on the side I stagger how I leave the hair out, as I said, in like a step kind of motion. And then once that's out of the way, I put the back in a hair tie just so it's out of the way, and then I focus on getting the front to be really seamless. I'm going in and I'm smoothing it out. this takes a little, you know, a little time. It's not gonna look seamless in the first go. So what I did, I combed it out. I made sure there wasn't any tangles. I put my hair tie in, and this was like just the first kind of like hold on the hair, because I knew I was gonna go back in and pull the hair back up in the final ponytail, but I just did this first one just to have the hair in the direction so I could wax the hair and hot comb it and train it up exactly how I wanted it to. This is what takes the most time, just like training the hair and getting everything to go smooth and in the direction that you want. Girl, you can't want this style and expect to just like boom boom and you're done. No, it takes a little second, it takes a little minute, because you have to do it in like steps, and I'm just doing that. And I'm using my wax stick, I used my comb, and I combed the hair as well while I was hot combing it, just so it could be as flat as possible. Like I really wanted it to be flat and just laid, and it takes a few tries to get it like this. I think I took the elastic bands out maybe like 3 times until I got to like that final stage where I felt like, okay, this is it. I'm going to just leave it like this. So I think here is where I was thinking this could be it, and then I'm like, nah, it can look better. So I'm gonna take the elastic band out again, because there was like a little puffiness that I feel like could go. So I took it out, and then I smoothed the hair, and then I'm going to pull it up in the ponytail for the final time. And even after that, I still go in with my wax stick, and I went in with some holding spray just so it will be smooth. So this is really the process. And guys, if you've made it this far, please like this video, please comment, let me know your thoughts down below. I feel like this is such a bomb install. Like honestly, this has been like the best half up half down I feel like I ever did. That is why I didn't want to speed through the entire thing. I wanted y'all to see it, so a lot of the sections are in real time, so y'all see what I'm doing. You can pause, you can rewind, and you can slay your hair just like this. And yeah, now that I'm satisfied, I'm gonna go in again with my wax stick and with my spray, and then I'm gonna take out a little piece of the hair just to wrap around that elastic band so it looks more polished, it looks more together, because it could stay like that, but it's not gonna give you that where did you get your hair done? The fresh out the salon kind of look is way more polished. So I'm using some hairspray to hold that, and I'm going to just like smooth it out and wrap it around, and I am combing the hair out just so it's extra smooth. You don't want to get this far where things is looking so neat to just like rush through it. You're like there, so you're gonna take your time and finish, and I did that. And yeah, like oh my god, just adding that piece made it so neat, guys. Like I'm just so impressed with how well this style turned out. I don't usually do half up half downs like that. I feel like this is the best one I've ever done in my entire time of doing hair. Okay, like this looks so good. This looks so good. Okay, and I left a few pieces of hair out in the front because we're gonna create that wispy, more natural kind of baby hairs, and not like the big, more defined ones. Ain't nothing wrong with those, but I didn't want that. I wanted it to just be more natural. And I'm just taking my scissors and I'm just like kind of like thinning those out and leaving the little pieces. I didn't even curl the edges with a curling iron or a flat iron. I just wanted it to just be like natural, like I don't know. So that's what I'm doing. And guys, I feel like the hairline looks so good. It looks so good. And I didn't have any like special way of doing the hairline. I just kept like making little pulls in like the direction that I feel like my natural hairline would be. And this is what our edges look like, and I love it. And I'm going in with my rapid styling strips just to mold the hair. I wanted it to stay, so I went in with these. These were the icing on the cake to holding the hair. Like y'all, this hairstyle, it ate. And guys, oh my god, when I come back, I'm gonna be a baddie, okay? Wait for it. Oh my god. I can't get over this look, baby. Fire. It looks so good. And guys, all I did, I didn't add this part in, was spray the hair with some water, and I just used a curling mousse. Whatever mousse you have, that's all I used on it. And it's so beautiful. The curls are so fire. And let me tell you, this install lasted. It lasted so long. Oh my God. 10 out of 10. The hair, get the hair, get the hair, get the hair, get the hair, and that's just it. I love it. Shout outs to Hermosa Hair for sending me this wig, because y'all ate on this wig. The curls are beautiful, the curls are juicy, it's very soft, it's not tangly, and I love the length, I love the body. It's just such a vibe. Okay, it's a vibe. If you like this hair, girls, definitely check out the description box below. I feel like you're gonna need to get you one of these, and you're gonna need to run this video back and watch it and install your wig just like this. Like, it's the vibe for me, it's the body for me, it's just like the everything about this wig 8. Oh my goodness. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you like this hair, baby. The energy that this gave, it just gave. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and yeah, until next time, keep being that girl. Oh my God, I love it. I love you guys, and yeah, catch you in my next one. Bye, babies.